Startup intentions record. This is the one I wanted to show you. In September, entrepreneurs expressing intent to start or buy this month soared to the highest ever at 253% of responses indexed to January 2020. Some of this enthusiasm was taken from the next 2 to 3 months, which dipped 23.6% in September from the 31.4% in August. A majority at 59.7% of respondents expressed intent to start or buy their businesses within the next 3 months. Startup intentions in the next 4 months, 6 months dipped in August to 17.4, bringing the total with intent to start within 6 months to 77.1%. So they're saying 77.1% of all respondents said they intend to start a business within the next 6 months. But what was the record was how many intend to start this month or next month, which is really incredible. Look at this number here. This green line. See this green line here? That is this month, people intending to start this month. Look, it's been bouncing at the top, surging. It's been surging. It's been up high, but boy, look at this surge here. So that's clearly your buyers. And then you've got 2 to 3 months dipped down a little bit, and 4 to 6 months dipped down a little bit. But this month really took off, which means your buyers are thinking about buying now. So if you're not asking them, if you haven't reached out, you might want to just reach out to them, ping them. Where are you in the process? How are things going? What's happening?